In today's video, we're comparing HeyGen versus Creatify and figuring out which one is actually better for UGC ads and spokesperson style videos. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and we're going to dive into this so you can decide which one makes sense for your content in your business. Because on the surface, these tools can look pretty similar. They both create AI talking head videos, they both use avatars, and they both promise to save you time. But the way they're built and how they actually perform are very different. So by the end of this video, you'll understand what each tool is best at, when you should use one over the other, and how to decide which one is going to be the best fit for you. So let's get into it. We're going to start simple and get clear on what these tools actually are. So both HeyGen and Creatify are AI video platforms that let you create talking head style videos without filming yourself. You write a script, choose an avatar, and the platform generates a video where that avatar speaks your script. But where they differ is in their purpose. HeyGen is focused on creating more polished, realistic spokesperson style videos. It's built for content that feels clean, structured, and pretty close to something you'd see in a brand video or explainer. Creatify, on the other hand, is built more for performance, especially for ads. It's designed to help you create UGC style content very quickly, where the goal is not to just look good, but to actually convert. So even though they seem similar, they're definitely solving two different problems. So we're going to dive in a little bit deeper, starting off with HeyGen. So HeyGen is essentially focuses on realism and control. It stands out for how realistic its avatars look. The facial movements, the lip syncing, and the overall presentation are designed to feel natural and polished. When you watch a HeyGen video, it often feels closer to a real person speaking on camera. This makes it a strong option for content where trust is really important. For example, if you're creating an explainer video, a landing page video, or something educational, that level of realism can make a massive difference. Another key feature is control. So HeyGen lets you build your videos in sections. You can adjust scenes, backgrounds, and how your script is delivered. This gives you more flexibility in how your final video looks and feels. So instead of generating one clip, you're actually building out a full piece of content. This is great if you care about presentation and structure, but it also means the process can take a little bit more time. Creatify, on the other hand, focuses on speed and performance. Creatify is built in a completely different way that focuses on speed. Instead of searching for a blank script, you can often generate a full video much faster. The platform is designed to take an idea or a product and turn it into ready-to-use video very quickly. This is really great for ads. So if you're creating TikTok content, product videos, or short-form ads, speed is so important. You don't want to spend hours building one video when you could be testing multiple angles. Creatify makes it much easier to do that. It also leans more into UGC style content. That means the video feels less polished and more like something a real person would casually post. And on platforms like TikTok, that style often performs better. So instead of trying to look perfect, it focuses on looking relatable. Now, one of the biggest differences between these tools is how the avatars feel. HeyGen avatars are a bit more polished. They feel like someone presenting in a clean, controlled setting. And again, this works well for professional content, but sometimes it can feel a little too perfect for social media. Creatify avatars feel more casual. They're designed to match the style of UGC content where things are a bit more relaxed and less structured. This can make the content feel real even if the realism itself isn't as high. And this matters more than you would expect because when it comes to ads, looking natural often matters much more than looking perfect. Now, the workflow between these tools is also very different. With HeyGen, you're more involved in the process. You're writing your script, choosing how the video is structured, and making adjustments along the way. Feels like building a video step by step. With Creatify, the process is faster and more automated. You're starting with something that's much closer to finished. You can still edit and adjust, of course, but you don't have to build everything from scratch. So truthfully, it comes down to how you like to work. If you want more control, HeyGen gives you that. If you want speed and simplicity, Creatify definitely makes more sense. Now let's talk about content versus ads because these are also very different. So HeyGen is better for content. If you're creating videos for your website, your brand, or educational purposes, it gives you the quality and structure that you need. Creatify is better for ads. If your goal is to create videos that grab attention quickly and drive action, it's built for that. And this is where a lot of people can get stuck. They try to use one tool for everything instead of matching the tool to the goal. Depending on what your goals are would depend on which one you actually need, but there also is a time and place to have both. You might use HeyGen for your core content, things like landing page videos, brand messaging, or anything where you want a bit more of a polished feel. Then you use Creatify for your ads. You test different hooks, different angles, and different styles to see what actually works. This gives you both quality and speed. And over time, that combination can be so powerful. Now let's dive into some bonus tips for even better results. So one of the biggest mistakes people make with AI video tools is relying too much on the default output. No matter which platform you use, you should always review and adjust your script so it feels natural. Small tweaks can make a really big difference in how how the video feels. Another tip is to match your content to the platform. If you're posting on TikTok, lean into shorter, more direct messaging. If you're using video on a website, you can take a bit more time to explain things clearly. And finally, focus on your hook. The first few seconds of your video matter more than anything else. Even the best AI tool won't help if your opening doesn't grab attention. Okay, now let's dive into the pros and cons. So HeyGen is really strong when it comes to quality and realism. The avatars look more natural and the platform gives you more control over how your video is built. This makes it a great choice for brand content, explainers, and anything else where presentation matters. At the same time, it can feel a bit slower if your goal is to create a lot of videos quickly, and the polished style doesn't always match what performs best in fast-paced social media environments. Now for Creatify. It's built for speed and testing. It allows you to create multiple videos very quickly and experiment with different angles without a lot of effort. This makes it ideal for ads and short-form content where performance is the priority. The downside is that the videos can feel less refined and you have less control over the final output compared to a more structured tool. Okay, now let's get into the different plans and pricing options. If you want to ensure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our links down in the description below. So you can actually create your first ad free with Creatify by using our link. You don't even have to type in your credit card. I'm going to navigate to pricing to check out the rest. Okay, you can pay monthly or you can save up to 50% on annual plans. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the annual plans. So they do have a free plan. You get 10 credits a month and you can export with watermark. You can make AI video ads, avatar videos, image ads, and AI script generation. Then they've got the starter plan, which is $19 per month. You get 20 videos and 100 credits. With this, you get everything that's in the free plan, but you get 300 realistic AI avatars, 10 plus premium AI models, 40 AI ad templates, and so much more. You also, of course, can export without the watermark. Then they've got the pro plan. So this is $49 per month, and this is for 40 videos, which equals 200 credits. If you need more videos, you can increase, but the price will increase as well. With this, you get all creator tools, 70 plus languages, custom avatars, ad launcher, and team collaboration. Lastly is the enterprise. You do have to go ahead and contact them, but if you want to, you can just click this link and you can go ahead and get started. Okay, now for HeyGen. So again, you can also get started for free, but I'm going to navigate to the pricing. So they've got the free plan, and with this, you can generate 3 videos per month up to 3 minutes, 1 custom digital twin, 500 plus stock photos. You also get trial access to some premium features like video translation, video creation with agent, and so much more. Then they've got the creator plan. You can pay yearly or monthly. You are going to save a bit if you go for the annual plan, and that's $24 per month paid annually. With this, you get unlimited avatar videos designed for solo creators. You get advanced features like AI video generator and AI voice over. You get videos up to 30 minutes, 1 custom digital twin, brand kit, and watermark removal. Just to note, you cannot export without the watermark, just so you know. Then they've got the pro plan, and again, yearly is $79 per month paid annually. You get everything in the creator, but you get 10x more premium usage, faster video processing, 4K video export, and all premium features as well. If you're a business, you can again pay monthly or yearly. You're going to save some money, so it's $119 per month paid annually, and additional seats are $20 per seat. Okay, so you pretty much get everything in the creator, but you get more usage, centralized billing, and a team workspace. And they do have an enterprise plan as well. You do have to just contact sales, but you get unlimited videos, 4K export, team member MFA, and commercial terms, priority customer support, and so much more. Now, how to choose. If your main goal is to create professional, polished looking videos that represent your brand clearly, HeyGen is definitely the better choice. It's going to give you more control and quality for that kind of content. On the other hand, if your goal is just to create ads, test different ideas, and move quickly, Creatify is definitely the better option. It's designed for speed and performance, especially in short form content. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure out which tools are actually worth using, especially when everything starts to sound the same. But once you understand what each one is built for, it becomes a lot easier to make that decision. If you want to check out HeyGen or Creatify, again, we've got those links in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand and use AI tools to create content, automate your work, and build smarter income streams. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.